As your student progresses through all the items on their schedule, you can keep track of it inside the app. If we tap on Rose, we can see she's got reading and clean bedroom that are due today. She hasn't started clean bedroom, which is gray, and then a light blue means that she has started reading. The other possible statuses are a dark blue for submitted to the checker, a red means returned from the checker, something else needs to be done, orange means that parental confirmation is required, and finally green means that it's checked off as done. If we exit back out, you'll see to the left of their name there's a pie chart which shows just a quick glance the colors of the different statuses that they've got. Once everything is complete, that changes into a happy little animation. If we look at Frank's schedule, he's got one task and it's awaiting for parental confirmation. If we tap on that task, we can see the detail of everything that's been said by the checker and by him and any photos that he sent. To prove that the bed has been made well enough, we tap the green icon on the far bottom right, and then we can exit back out and see that our students have completed their entire schedule for today.